The AI tools that I recommend right now to use are, first and foremost, my absolute favorite is lovable.dev, okay? I just built my site with it. You can build apps with it. It's a no-code vibe coding tool, essentially, where you can build apps and websites and anything like this. And it's just completely, I was always the kind of person who's like, okay, I can make content, but I don't like to build stuff like sites. I don't like to integrate them with like systems. I was not good with code ever like this. But now it's like I actually really much enjoy building sites because it's just talking to a chatbot essentially, which is amazing. So that's the first one. Of course, ChatGPT, right? They have 800 million active weekly users, which is completely insane. I use ChatGPT daily. I'm like a power user, a lot. Sora from OpenAI. I haven't played around with Sora yet, but my feed on like Instagram is full of these very funny AI videos, right? We would think like, oh, AI would not make a good stuff, but they're just something that we would never be able to create with not AI. They're just so good. So yeah, it's Sora, ChatGPT, lovable.dev. What's another one that I really like? Well, for this podcast and for this live streaming, I use something called Riverside FM. It's not necessarily AI, but there is AI integrated because when I do this live stream, their AI integrated finds the moments for shorts and for segments, so like 3 to 4 minute videos, extracts from this long thing, and then it cuts it up automatically for me and adds the titles, the captions basically for the shorts, which is AI, which is like voice, which is like recognition, translation, all this generation. It's really cool. So if you want to get into like content creation and live streaming, riverside.fm is really good.